and I want to save that smart object and close it. Go back to the ColorPop Halftones file, and you'll see the halftones applied to this image. This one's called pointillism, wavelines, waveline crossover, time warp, crossline, line, crossover, and ripple. What we can do here is we can change the angle and the scale of these halftone dots up or down. Now let me show you the color options. So let's go back up to this color layer, turn that visibility on, and you'll see it applies a nice palette to our image. So we can easily just click through these and see which ones we like the best. This one's called Unicorn. This one's called Dreamscape, Retropolis, Ultra Fade, Trial, Dusty Road, Purple Haze. We've got just so many of these options here. I actually liked Unicorn, so we'll click OK. And this is a good example to show our knockout. You can knock that color out. And now if I show this on a black background, you'll notice we're gonna not have to print all that dark ink. So it really saves on the ink thickness, and it's really gonna be a nice soft print no matter if you're printing screen printing, DTF, or DTG. So what we'll do here is we'll just go File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. Thanks for watching.